Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends onto the Aqua Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the wallet page. From here, if you wish to invite friends, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Then within your Jan3 account settings at the top, you will find the invite friends option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now this will give you a link that you can copy and share with your friends or whoever you wish to invite. You can tap on the copy button or directly use various applications in order to share the link with these users. Once your link has been sent, anyone who taps on it will be able to download the Aqua Wallet application and sign up for their new account. And once their sign up is complete, you may also be eligible for some reward. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends onto the Aqua Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.